This is Kelly, and yesterday I was throwing up and had diarrhea. I had the terrible, some kind of flu bug, and I pushed through and was up for work at a little before 5 this morning. Now I'm out here hiking and enjoying nature and listening to all of its beautiful symphony, its healing properties. I'm here on Kodiak Island. Today I took cruise ship passengers that are cruising around the world and showed them some of Kodiak. Wow, I just don't really know where to go. Where I should go, where I want to go. This looks like a good spot. It's, I don't even know what time it is, probably close to 8 o'clock. Ooh, this might be the end of the road here. Wow. I hear the surf pounding. Oh, here's something today. Bird feathers. It's a little slippery. Looks like a glaucous wing gull. Met its maker. Wow. Isn't this place beautiful? Look at all the spruce tips laying on the ground. They must be from heavy winds. So I interviewed today for another show. This would be a hosting gig. And the one that I interviewed for, a female survival show host, the major network decided it didn't want a female to host, which was a bummer for me and everyone else. But wow, this is so pretty. My goodness. I haven't got to a good spot to show you yet because you won't be able to see very well through the trees. Huh. Anyways, the second one, I didn't make the semifinalist cut for Kicking and Screaming so far. I was slated to be a semifinalist and then they picked someone else. But this show that I just interviewed for, which I don't want to release the name yet, would be a really cool opportunity and it'd be right up my alley. So after having the flu and working all day in a new place in the pouring rain, now the rain stopped and it's quite beautiful out. It's getting a little chilly, temperature's dropping. Boy, the surf is right behind that island, and I thought it'd be fun to see some pounding surf, but I can hear it. And I'm sure it'd be a heck of a lot windier. Hopefully you can see how pretty this is. These are all salmonberry bushes getting ready to fruit. They're all in bloom. The bears love to eat salmonberries. This island is full of Kodiak brown bears. Where's that bird? It's close. Guess it's right above us. I was going to try to video it, but wow, they're so pretty, aren't they? Anyways, there's some deer tracks. I'll turn this off for now.